there, folks. First big flood. Our new house. So far we are dry. I may shut this off and take you down the driveway a little bit. Here's our drainage system going up from the roof. I'm still a little shook up. Shaky girl had to drive through the river to get it here. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but this is our driveway. There's well, I've got my snake boots on. Thank you, Pam. And the water's still coming in over the top, so I'm up to my knees right now. Got a styrofoam cooler lid over the top of me protecting my camera, and you can hear me sloshing through. I'm glad I can laugh about this now because I wasn't about an hour ago. And here is the water into the neighbor's yard. And here is the water going out to the road. And that, my friends, is our drainage ditch that is full. Completely full. There is the top of the post at the end of the driveway. Let's see if you can see. It does clear up a little bit from here, but down at the bottom, completely flooded out. And there's our road. Now the neighbor's coming down and he's going to ask me if I'm okay. Because I'm out here like an idiot in the torrential downpour. A little wet. I have to change some clothes when I get in. Here's some algae or something floating on top of the river. And I do not think I'm going to try to drive through this. Signing off. Be back with you in a moment. Okay, we're back. Made it through. And our house is still dry. Thank you, Scott, for putting it up on how many blocks? 5, I think. It's still dry out front. But around the side and the back it's a different story. I'll take you around. A little standing water here. Doesn't matter. I'm already soaked. In fact, I think I have more water in my boots. Should have just gone barefoot. But here, well, here, let me show you the drainage ditch. Get up on Jason's bridge. Here's Jason's bridge, and I think you can probably see the water is crested. Just in a couple places. I guess it's not completely over the top, which is what's keeping us as dry as we are. Back here, poor road dog is completely underwater. And so am I now. And there is the back. Pretty wet. That's where I just came out. Lots and lots of water. But we still have power. And Joe's here. We're going to do the best we can to try to enjoy our evening together. There's a little grass there. And more water. Thought we would share that with you.